सदस्य श्री छत्रपति साहू जी।
I would like to bring to your notice the woes of the EPS Employees Pension Scheme 95. There are 75 lakh pensioners associated with EPS 95 scheme. They reside in every corner of India. Just a few days back, I visited their ongoing agitation, which was held at Jantar Mantar. Having seen and heard of the distressing plight of the pensioners, I would like to bring this serious situation to your notice, Adhyaksha Mohdaya. The present numbers of this fund are employees of the central and state government sectors and private sector undertakings. The members enrolled are approximately 30 crores. Statistics state that the corpus in the pension fund has increased from rupees 3,93,000 crores in 17-18 to rupees 7,80,000 crores in 22-23. Adhyaksha Mohdaya, will the government be pleased to state whether the government is aware of the inflation and rising costs and minimum pension needed to survive in 2024? Whether the government is aware of the directive principles of the Constitution of India, which places the responsibility on it to help the elderly lead a respectable life. Adhyaksha Mohdaya, the pension is not protected against inflation. Furthermore, it is not increased by a single rupee in the last 10 years. Adhyaksha Mohdaya, the price of a household gas cylinder.
धन्यवाद माननीय सदस्य।
1 minute, maybe.
Please complete.
Just 2 minutes. Gas cylinder is rupees 1,200. In such circumstances, how do the pensioners drawing an average of 1,451 continue to live? I don't understand. It is shocking to note that the government's indifference to the crumbling lives of the pensioners who are naturally of old age. The Article 41 of the Constitution provides for old age pension schemes and therefore not only covers the elderly pensioners but the sick and the disabled as well. In the year 2023, the
माननीय सदस्य रमाशंकर राजभर जी।
टाइम्स डिजिटलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबायला विसरू नका. टाइम्स डिजिटल.